Let's do some sound healing in this session. Actually, focus on the digestive system. And we don't have time to do 5 organ system in this brief session. And but just in general, for anyone who is new, simply understand the 3 dimensions for each organ system: physical dimension, emotional dimension, and mental, spiritual dimension. They're all equally important, inseparable when affecting another. And in the digestive system, obviously, the physical function of digesting food is super important. Yeah. If you cannot digest food, you cannot live in this body, ultimately, right? So, but on the other hand, the emotional dimension of digestive system is also profoundly important. It's not well known. It's really digesting your experience, digesting your information, everything. We experiencing life, most of the time mentally. So whatever information, whatever communication, most of the time mental, that is the information. So when you cannot digest in that information, what happens? You feel overwhelmed, undigested, confused, stuck. And that's often expressed in your digestive system. The digestive system feels stuck, feels heavy. And emotionally, we go through all kind of experiences, emotional feeling. And that's natural. But sometimes we feel overwhelmed, because these emotions not digested. So the digestive system, again, is equally important for digesting emotion as well, digesting information. When that's not digested, then we're experiencing worry. That's its common phenomenon, especially at the time of uncertainty. Then the spiritual dimension is really about the wisdom of wisdom of transformation. So digestion is very much equal to transformation. When things is transformed, then you feel okay, you feel good. Life is continuing in the flow. So that's the wisdom dimension of the digestive system. Acknowledging, you're living with that wisdom of transformation, life as transformation, life continuously changing, flowing, so on. So with that said, let's do the sound, activating the 3 dimensions of a digestive system. So first of all, gently close your eyes. Acknowledging, embracing all the sensation, feeling inside of you. And gently massaging your stomach. Now allow yourself to think of whatever is going on in your life, even in the world, without getting into too much of the story. Just simply acknowledging the energetic information of your life. Now acknowledging all the emotion you've been feeling. As human being. Now deeply noticing the sensation, feeling in your digestive system, including your stomach, pancreas, intestine, colon. simply aware, simply embracing, noticing. Whatever mental stress, emotional stress, physical stress, simply become aware. And deeply allow the sound, awakening, opening energy, slow the vibration, especially in your digestive system. Awakening the capacity, the physical capacity of digestion with the first sound, like this. Gong. Now, with your own best effort, breathe in deeply into the digestive system. Gong. Breathe into the digestive system. Gong. Breathe into the digestive system. Gong. Relaxing, noticing, and continuously embracing all the sensation, feeling inside of your body, inside of your digestive system, both comfortable, uncomfortable, both intense and subtle. And continuously allowing the second sound, activating the emotional dimension, transforming from worry to confidence. When the energy awakening, opening, flowing deeply, we naturally feel the confidence. And the sound like this. Again, with your own best effort, breathe into the digestive system. Breathe into the digestive system. Breathe into the digestive system. And relaxing, noticing. Internally embracing all the sensation, feeling inside of you, inside of your digestive system. Allowing the vibration of the sound activating deeply, the spiritual dimension of a digestive system, the power and the wisdom of transformation of life inside of you, and the sound like this. Again, with your own best effort, breathe into your digestive system. Breathe into your digestive system. One more time. Breathe into your digestive system. And relaxing, noticing. Continuously embracing all the sensation, feeling inside of your body. All the sensation, feeling inside of your digestive system. Both comfortable and uncomfortable. Both intense and subtle. Allowing the energy of life, the energy of digestion, awakening deeper, opening deeper, flowing deeper. Can gently massage in your stomach. Continuously feeling your stomach, pancreas, intestine, colon with intention, with attention. With a deeper intention, awakening, opening, empowering. And smiling inwardly to your digestive system. Acknowledging your digestive system. Being working hard. In all dimensions of physical, emotional, and spiritual. And sending your gratitude, appreciation to your digestive system. For making life possible. For making abundance of life possible. The more you can transform the energy, the more you can experience the abundance. Abundance of life. And slowly open your hand, continuously relaxing. Relaxing to the subtle energy, connecting with the energy of the earth beneath you. The power of the earth. The transformation of the earth. Connecting with the energy of the universe above you, including the planetary alignment. The new energy of Aquarius. The energy of transformation and new vision. And continuously relaxing to the natural process of transformation of life inside of you. Realizing the new vision inside of you. Realizing the highest potential inside of you. Feeling the energy presence of the Qi field around the planet Earth. All the energy of collective, accumulative, local, non-local. The energy of love, joy, compassion, wisdom. The energy of healing. The energy of awakening to the oneness. Naturally activating around you, inside of you, personally, collectively. Naturally flowing deeper and deeper. As nourishment of life, nourishment of your body, mind, heart, spirit. And continuously feeling the intimacy with your body, and slowly now moving your hip. Slowly, deeply. Moving your shoulder joints slowly, deeply. Moving your neck, your spine as deeply as you can. Howla, howla, howla.